So Dave, tell me about your event.
So the event is the first annual Chicagoland Motorcycle Safety Expo. It's an opportunity for police officers and civilians to come out, demonstrate their skills in a friendly, competitive environment. It's also a big charity fundraiser. For this year's beneficiary is going to be Make-A-Wish, and this is our first year doing it. We've got over 40 civilians and officers competing from across the United States and Canada. So we got some Canadian competitors coming out here and working with us, as well as officers from throughout the Midwest. Got civilian riders coming in from the East Coast, Midwest as well, and we really got a great turnout. Hoping we have some good weather and a better turnout for spectators and having a lot of fun.
John Strom, Grand Lake Township Police Department in Michigan. Came out here just to hone my skills, and this is probably the first out-of-state competition I've ever been to. And this is actually really cool, and all the partner riding and the challenge course and all the courses are going to be really challenging, really tough. So we're going to get a lot out of it.